When you do your tests, as I told you, you have to take feedback from your tests. Feedback is very, very critical. And inside your test, focus on the scores, not your percentiles. What I see a lot of people focusing on is percentile. Percentile in the mock test series means nothing because you don't have the simulation of the exact cat. What you need to focus on is how much are you scoring? Are you able to get to your 100, 120 scores in your mock test? Because if you are more or less getting to 100, 120 scores in the mock test, you will get there inside the cat. And you have to have that confidence. No matter what the paper is, no matter what the conditions are, I will be able to score that band of score. And that can only come from serious testing and feedback from the testing. And as I said, keep taking your feedback or keep varying your test frequency depending on where you are and how much time you need to do the basics at this point of time. And as I said, if you want to delay your full-length tests, you can maybe by a couple of weeks, by maybe a month, but not your sectional tests. At least verbal ability, reading comprehension, start your sectional test. Data interpretation, logical reasoning, start your sectional test as quickly as possible. Quants, you can delay it by a month if you want to cover 5-7 chapters this month before you hit the test. You can try to do that, but otherwise don't do that. And the last thing is, I always tell this to people. Suppose inside your test, your scores are, let's say, in the 70s, and you're aspiring to get 110 plus. To look at it as a problem-solving situation, you are trying to solve a problem, you got certain resources, you got your learning skills, you got your time, you got resources with respect to videos and advisory that you have around you. Look at how you will use all that to solve a problem. The problem you're trying to solve is you're trying to teach yourself, how do I score 110 marks? How do I do those extra 10 questions in a 2-hour framework? Because getting from the 70s to 110 will mean 10 questions extra and 3 errors less. If you can do this much, 13 to 15 questions a game rehta between getting a 70 and a 92 percentile and getting 110 and a 99.5 percentile. It's only 13 to 15 questions, 5 questions per section. If you can change, your 70s converts to 110s. So keep looking at it as a problem-solving situation and solve that problem during this 4 months. And that's the most important part of what I wanted to tell you.